Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Samaya, also known as slaymiyayt, and today I have a little hair tutorial for you guys. So y'all know I just had them braids in. I had them in for a very long time and I just missed my hair and I really want to have a big style. So I just washed it and now I'm about to show you guys how I deep condition my hair for the most moisture and the best looking style. Okay, so as you guys can see, the first thing I'm doing is smoothing the deep conditioner into my hair, and then I'm using my fingers to rake it through. Both of these methods work good by themselves, but I really like them together. Every time I finish doing my hair after using these methods, my hair always comes out super moisturized, super nice, super soft, and all of the good things that you want your hair to be. Also, the deep conditioner I'm using is the Almond Milk Deep Conditioner by Carol's Daughter. I love this one, and yeah. Now I'm just moisturizing my hair with a little bit of shea butter. Y'all know this is my ride or die. I love shea butter. It has made my hair grow. It makes my hair moisturized, and it makes my hair really soft. So now I'm taking my blow dryer and doing the tension method, and then for the very end I'm going through with the comb attachment to get it as smooth as possible. So I'll just let you guys watch the rest of this and I will come back when I'm ready to style. Okay, now that all of that is done and my arms are in pain, I'm ready to style my hair. So the first thing I'm going to do is give myself a part. You can do a middle part, right part, left part, but I like this part. I think it frames my face pretty well, especially for the little bangs that I have. Now, I'm going to section off my hair. Back again with the shea butter. Y'all, I just cannot stop using it. It's so good. So I'm just putting a little bit in my hair, enough to moisturize it, but not enough for it to revert back to its curly state after I just did all of that work. So now to style, I am doing a couple of braids in my hair with perm rods at the end. A braid and curl is my favorite style. I do it when my hair is shrunken, when it's stretched out. I just love the pattern that it gives, and the curl at the end makes it pretty signature. Like, I feel like nobody else on campus has this style. But I guess you guys will have it now, but I don't mind. I want everybody to look good, okay? So I'm gonna just let y'all finish watching it, and I will catch y'all when I'm ready to take the braids out the next morning. Okay guys, it's the next day. I'm ready to take these braids out. Please don't mind my face. I was very, very, very tired. But anyways, I'm just slowly taking the braids down, and as you can see, it gives me this like elongated, stretched, crinkled look that I really, really, really enjoy. And I hope you guys enjoy it too. So I'm just gonna let you finish watching until I take all of the braids out. And then I'm going to do a little bit of edges. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And I really hope that you do this style. And if you do this style, make sure you tag me on Instagram. It's at slaymiyayt1. Don't forget the 1. And yeah, guys, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment on a video that you would like to see next. I will see you guys next time. Peace to the Middle East. Or, just peace.